Once you're logged into the Bloxels EDU app, you're going to select Build. It will give you an option, where do you want to start? Games, characters, art, or backgrounds. I'm going to choose characters. You'll notice that all 4 of those options are now along the top. So these 4 characters are part of what we get automatically with Bloxels. I'm going to say capture a new character because you should have already made a character on your board. I'm going to say capture a new character. Now, unfortunately, because I need to get kind of far away from my board to scan it with the iPad, you won't be able to see with the iPad, but you can see it popped up a window and it says get the entire board inside this window. So I'm going to do that. Remember too that when we're using these iPads with the black cases, that you might need to open up the camera window on the back. All right, so it's scanning my board for me, and it says, does this look right? So the shape is correct, but we got a couple of color problems. I'm going to say okay though, because those would be easy to fix. I'm going to turn off my lights in the room so we can see the iPad a little better now. Get a little closer up here, see the color. Get it adjusted just a little bit. All right, so it's saying, is this okay? I'm going to say okay. And now we can start to see the color a little better on the iPad. His arm somehow, for some reason, that came through as yellow. So to change that, I want to change it back to the orange I had originally thought. So I'm going to tap orange over here, and I'm just going to come and fix the ones that were yellow. So now we have 2 orange arms, a red eye, green. Let's say what's the whites are eyes. Let's say we decided we wanted to add some yellow ears. So if I tap yellow, I can add things to this design without rescanning the board, which is kind of nice. Do be aware though that you'll need to make the same adjustments on your walking and jumping. So we've got our character here, and I think he looks great. So if I want to see what he will look like in the game, I'll press this play button, and it drops him into the scene. And if I press the right button, it moves him like he's moving to the right. And if I move him to the left, so he's looking great. I'll tap the edit button again. Takes me back into the editing stage. So if that's the way I want my character to be, I should go ahead and give him a name. And the artist who created this wanted the name of this to be Family Guy, because it has his family's favorite colors. So now it's named Family Guy. In our next video, we'll talk about how to animate your character and teach him what you want it to look like when it walks and when it jumps.